In this video, I'll show how to create gray account. So first you need open browser and then search gray account. See, gray open global account and send money or wait. So click here, it's loading. See the gray account website interface. You need to click Great Start for free. So you need to put email here or sign up with Google. So I select email address, country, USA, United States. You can select any country you want. Continue with United States. First name, middle name, and last name. Select gender, male, email address. You need must valid email address. You need phone number. So I am using SMS pin verify. Referral code if you have or not. It's optional. Click confirm to enable the terms. Continue. Create password, uppercase, lowercase. Click terms and condition, then continue. So you need code from email, verify email address. What do you need to use for gray for? Here are a few options. Which option you most needed? Select it. Get virtual card online shopping. This option I needed. And create invoice to receive payment. Send money abroad. You can use any other option as well, and you can use all option if you need. So click all option to select, then click submit. So your account not done yet, so you need to verify KYC, verify your identity, submit to valid ID. So before we submit KYC, let's take other option, pay bills, virtual card, invoice, send money, and see other currency, US dollar, euro, British pound, and all account here. You can add money from here, but you need to update KYC. So let's verification. So need date of birth, address. You need to use valid address. So see my address suggested, California, Southgate, zip code, proof of address of tribe. So you can submit bank statement, and let's try to upload. Continue. What is your place of origin? City, Southgate. Nationality, United States. Continue. Do you identify as a political exposed person? No. My family member also not political exposed person. Continue. So one more step, DL or ID card. So I need to scan on phone, then I submit the front and back and selfie as well. I did submit my ID card and selfie as well. It's loading. Your information is review. Return to dashboard. So verification ID. This is usually on take short while to complete. So if you approve, then you can use pay bills, virtual card, invoices, send money, and other option as well. So that's for today. If you need more creation tutorial, then subscribe my channel and join my Telegram channel. Thank you.